we need to construct a perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Before we understand the construction, let us understand what perpendicular bisector means. Perpendicular is simply a straight line drawn at an angle of 90 degrees to a given line or a plane. And bisect means dividing it into two equal parts. It means we have to draw a line perpendicular to this line at a point which divides this segment into two equal parts. The first thing we need to do is keep the compass at one end of the line segment. It can be at either of the ends, this one or this one. Let's keep it at point A. Next, we adjust the compass length to over half the segment length. At the end of the video, you will know why it has to be adjusted to more than half the segment length. With this length, we draw an arc on each side of the segment, at the top and at the bottom. Do not change the width of the compass after you've drawn the arcs. With the same width, we repeat what we did for the other end of the segment. We keep the compass on point B and draw arcs on each side of the segment. You will notice we get two arc intersections, one on top and the other below segment AB. Now all we need to do is join these 2 points. This line will be perpendicular to segment AB and these two lengths will be equal. This is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. If we call this point P, we can say that the length of segment AP will equal the length of segment PB. Don't memorize the steps for construction. Ask yourself, why do we need the length of the compass to be greater than half AB? It's very interesting. Think about it. If not greater than half AB, there can be two conditions. Either we choose less than half AB or equal to half AB. Let's say we set the length to less than half AB. We keep the compass on point A and draw two arcs above and below the segment. Without changing the width, we keep the compass on point B and draw two arcs again. What do you see? We don't get arc intersections, which means you cannot draw the perpendicular. What if by chance you set the length to half AB? If we draw arcs from point A and point B, you will see that they do not meet. But if we extend the two arcs to join each other, they will meet at one point, which will be on the line. Yes, we bisected the segment, but we need 2 points to draw a perpendicular and we have just one. It means, in this case as well, we cannot draw a perpendicular. So now you know, while drawing a perpendicular bisector, you should set the compass length to over half the length of AB.